Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chalo Padhe. Today in this channel we are going to discuss class 9th IT 402 chapter word processor digital documentation. Last topic of the chapter, that is mail merge. First I want to say you thank you for liking as well as subscribe my channel as well as share my channel. So those who have still not done, they will do it now only. Now what do you understand by mail merge? Mail merge, mail को merge करते? नहीं. Mail merge, mail, email को दो email इकट्ठे करते? Mail merge? No. All these answers are wrong. So mail merge is used when you are send a same letter to number of person. जब तुम एक letter बहुत सारे लोगों को same send करनी है, that time you are using mail merge. In mail merge, suppose I have written this letter and I want to send it to all my 9th class students so that I can share something with their parents or anything. In that case, we are using mail merge. Now, how to do mail merge? Go to mailing. Then go to start mail merge, go to options, step by step mail merge wizard. This type of dialog box will open. Click on letter because we are creating letter. Then click on next starting document. Then I am using this current document. If you want to start from template or from the existing, you can do it in that. So I am using the current document. Now select recipient. You can select it from Outlook, you can type a new list, or you can use an existing one. So whenever you will click, this type of your list will open whichever you want to say. Or you can select a different list, click there. Then you need to decide the path where your file is stored, open it, and then you will open it. Clear? This way the data is in front of you. If you want to edit it, you can click here, edit it. If you want to sort it, you can sort it, filter it. After that, click on OK. Then next write your letter which we have already written. Concern about your child study during exam times, anything that can be which we want to discuss. Then click on next, write your letter. I have already written. Now in that you can, even if you want to write any greeting line, you can write any greeting line. Dear sir or ma'am, anything you want to add, you can add. So this way you want to add any address block, you can insert. Now click on preview your letter. Now you will see by clicking here, I can insert the merge field. Address line 1. Before that, first you want to give the name, then address, then I am only choosing the field name. You can see the data which I have already written in that, it is coming automatically. Clear? If I want to see second record, you will see my record address changed. Third, I have filled only 3 records. You can fill as much record as you want to fill. So this way you can search. I have clicked on view result. It will show me the headings, which headings I have chosen for keeping the address. Another time I am clicking, it is showing me the address. By clicking here directly writing 3, you can directly move to the third record. Then click on finish and merge. Your is finished. Click on print document, merge to printer, and from which records you want to print. You want to print current record, whatever you want to print, you can print. Because in my system no printer is attached, that's why I have not clicked on the OK, because I don't want to take the printer. And this way complete the merge. So these are the 6 steps which you can use it, preview your letter, and this way your merging will be complete. I think you are able to understand and you have got a good knowledge about this topic. Thanks students, take care, subscribe my channel, like my channel. Thank you.